Sometimes meatballs can turn out dense and dry, but real German frikadellen are soft, juicy, and full of flavor. In this video, I will show you how to get that perfect texture every single time. Before we start, there are two essential prep steps regarding those ingredients. First of all, we're going to cut the bread roll into smaller pieces. This way, they'll be easier to mix. We also need to make them soft by soaking them in the water. The next essential prep step is also peeling and cutting the onions. We're going to fry those onions with a little bit of butter. When making German frikadellen, the choice of meat is rather important, so now pay attention. Please choose the mixture of beef and pork. Pork provides fat, juiciness, and the tenderness, while beef delivers strong and hearty flavor. Using only beef makes the meatball often too dry, and only pork results in milder taste. Now we will be adding fried chopped onions. The onions are soft and cooked through. The squeezed bread roll. Don't skip this, it's not the filler, it's there to make the frikadellen fluffy. Then you need 1 egg for binding, mustard, salt, pepper, and paprika powder. That's it! Now mix everything together with your bare hands, but don't overdo it, this way they will be light and fluffy. Just mix until everything is combined. And that's it! Let's shape those beauties. For one meatball, you're gonna need 100 to 120 grams of meat mixture. If you are making small party meatballs, you can just use 25 grams of a meat mixture. You just roll it a bit. And before we start frying, a quick question for you. How do you actually eat your meatballs? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious what you do with this wonderful German food abroad. And if you enjoy traditional recipes like this, subscribe to my channel. I've got recipes like this coming out every week. For frying, we're gonna need high heat smoke point oil that we're gonna heat in a pan over medium heat. Place the meatballs in a pan. And now this is important, don't change the heat. You want them to cook through gently while developing the crust on the outside. Just let them sit and don't move them too early. After around 4 to 5 minutes, when they nicely brown, flip them and fry for another 3 to 5 minutes. The easiest way to check for doneness is to use the thermometer. The internal temperature should be 70 to 72 degrees Celsius. And that's it! Look at this! Crispy on the outside, very soft and fluffy on the inside. You can serve them simply with a bread roll and mustard, or as a main dish with a mashed potatoes and vegetable your choice. Simple, classic, and very satisfying. On my blog, you're gonna find many meatballs recipes. I made already a fish ones, meatballs with capers, and the classic German ground beef and pork recipe that I just made today. If you enjoyed this video, you might also wanna watch next a video about the quickest German dishes.